Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of Standard 5. In the previous session, we have solved some questions of area and perimeter, and also we have solved some fill in the blanks. Today we will continue with the question solve the following for the unit test 4. Here question number 4 is given. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides measures 7 cm, 8.5 cm and 9.3 cm. Here all sides of triangle is different in measure. So this is not equilateral triangle. So we have to use the formula perimeter of triangle is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. So P is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Here AB is 7 cm plus BC is 8.5 cm plus CA is 9.3 cm. If we add these all sides, we will get 24.8 cm is the perimeter of this triangle. Now let us see question number 5 here. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose sides measure 8 cm each. Here triangle is equilateral, that means the measure of three sides are equal of 8 cm. So here we can use the formula P is equal to 3 into sides, because triangle has 3 sides and these 3 sides are equal in measure 8 cm. So 3 into 8 is equal to 24 cm is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. Here we have to find out the perimeter of a square, and side is given here 16 cm. Here question number 6, find the perimeter of a square whose sides measures 16 cm each. So here we have to use the formula perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Square has how many sides? 4. So 4 into side. And here side is given 16 cm. So 14 into 16 is equal to 64 cm is the perimeter of this square. Here question number 7 is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 66 meters and its length is 18 meters. Find its breadth. Student, here perimeter is given and length is given, and we have to find out breadth. So we have to use the formula of a rectangle to find out the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter is given here 66 meter and length is given 18 meters. Breadth is not given, so we will not write here. Now here 2 is in multiplication. When we interchange this 2 to the left side, 66 will be divided by 2. So here remaining part 18 plus b we will write. So 66 divided by 2, here 33, and here 18 plus b, and again here we have to interchange this 18 to the left side. So 33 minus 18 is equal to b. So 33 minus 18 is equal to 15 centimeter is the length of this rectangle. Question number 8. A park is 145 meter long and 75 meter wide. That means this park is in rectangular shape. Reena jogs around it 5 times. How much distance does she cover? Here Reena jogs around this park. That means we have to find out here perimeter. That means length of boundary of this park. So first we will find out the perimeter of this park, rectangular park, is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2, here 145 plus 75 is equal to 2. If we add this, we will get 0, 220. So here if we multiply 2 by 220, we will get 440. Now here written, Reena jogs around it 5 times. If she jogs around 1 time, the distance will be 440 meter. But here she jogs around it 5 times. So we have to multiply this length with 5. So 440 meter into 5. If we multiply this, we will get 2200 meter. Now moving further here, question number 9. The area of a rectangle is 120 square meter and its breadth is 5 meter. Find its length. We can find the length of this rectangle by using the formula of area, because here area is given. Area is given 120 square meter. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here area is given 120 square meter. Length is not given, so we will write L. Breadth is given here 5 centimeter, so we will write 5 centimeter. Now to find out length, we have to interchange this 5 to the left side. So 120 divided by 5 is equal to length. So if we divide 120 by 5, you can divide this way. So 5 2s are 10, here 2 0, and here 4, 5 4s are 20. So 24 meter is the length of this rectangle. So student, here we have solved some word problems from your workbook. You can practice from the workbook this type of question and also from the textbook for your unit test 4. That's all for this session. Thank you and all the best for your unit test 4.